Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sadhna and Wisdom. I hope you all are fit and fertile and learning this language in a great way. Friends, you already know what I am going to tell you and which topic I am going to talk. And if you do not know, then stay with me. And again, I want to say to you, welcome to my channel because now I have 30 days challenge English speaking. Okay, welcome to you 30 days English speaking challenge. Yes, friends, in these videos I am going to tell you how we can improve our communication skills, how we can learn this language from the basic, okay? Because what I believe, we do not have idea and guidance. That's the reason we don't do, and sometimes we don't make consistency, we don't do with consistency, and this is main problem. We're not able to speak, even I also. So we are going to know how we can maintain our consistency. And before that, I want to know what is your level. Okay, how much you know English, you are able to understand, but you are not able to speak, and you are able to speak but you know you are not able to understand. What is your level? And friends, if you are not understanding and not able to speak, no problem. But if you're beginner, you know, I'm not going to say you in your first day you have to talk about yourself, introduce yourself. No, I'm not going to tell you you should talk any topic, because it is not possible and it is not easy. You know, if you're a beginner and you can't describe, you can't talk any topic. But yeah, if you are upper and intermediate, then you can talk. But here we are talking about beginners, okay? And first, what we will do, we will read book, okay? Because what I believe, if our, you know, basic will be strong, then we can communicate, we can understand easily, okay? So we are going to first make and build our basic foundation strong. We are going to build our basic part, and for 1 week we will read only book. Why I'm saying we will read book? Because reading is one of the most and way effective and highly way to learn this language. Because if you do not know how to read book, then you can know how to read book, and from the book you can build your confidence, you can remove your hesitation, and most important, your pronunciation will be good, okay? Because what I have seen, most of the people, they are good on this language, okay? They are totally good, but they are able to form correct sentences, okay? But when it comes to talk, they are not able to pronounce correct words, right? And that's why I'm saying, don't think, just talk about topic, okay, without knowing our basic, right? First, build your basic, okay, and we will read book for our pronunciation because it will help us in many different way, okay. And my dear friends, if you think you are able to read book and your basic it is already strong and it is enough to communicate, then don't do, okay, because I do not want to waste your time. And I am making these videos those who are really wants to learn this language and they are not maintaining their consistency, then they can take challenge with me and they can improve their English. Okay, now it's time to read book and we will read together and you can repeat after me. If you have any book, you can read that book, otherwise you can repeat mm, after me. Okay, and you can write vocabulary. You can expand your vocabulary from the book. So let's read book. See, I am recording and I have one book which I am going to read. Let's start reading. Why small habits make a big difference. It is so easy to overestimate the importance of one defining moment and underestimate the value of making small improvements on a daily basis. Too often we convince ourselves that massive success requires massive action, whether it is losing weight, building a business, writing a book, winning a championship, or achieving any other goal. We put pressure on ourselves to make some earth-shattering improvement that everyone will talk about. Meanwhile, improving by 1% is not particularly noticeable. Sometimes it isn't even noticeable, but it can be far more meaningful, especially in the long run. The difference a tiny improvement can make over time is astounding. Here how the works out. If you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you will end up 37 times better by the time you are done. Conversely, you if you get 1% worse each day for 1 year, you will decline nearly down to zero. What starts as a small win or minor setback accumulates into something much more. Hello friends, we will read only this much paragraph, not read book and improve your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary. And if you like my video, share and subscribe. Tell me in the comment box what you likes. And till then, bye bye, take care. We will meet soon.